If you would like to create a gift card, first, visit a product page and add a product. Then, select Gift Card. Next, you will need to edit the gift card information. Enter a title for the gift card in the Name field. Add details about the gift card to the Description field. Click Add Images in the Image field, or drag and drop images from your computer to add an image. Under Amount, you can click an amount to edit it, or click the plus icon to add a new amount. You can add custom content to your gift cards in this area. Click Save and Publish to publish the gift card to your products page. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.